So, Integrator Media is at the hotel show with Mr. Anas Nasser. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you.
So, can you tell me a little about A to Z hospitality? What is it all about?
It's about good service, actually. We are well known in the market as a good service company and good quality product. Client, when they approach us, they know they are in safe hands. If they have issues, they know A to Z are going to solve their issues. So this is, we are known in the market with this.
So, it's about focusing on the customers, what they need.
Exactly what they need, what they make their like life easy. Like we always find solution for the customers.
So, if we talk about designs, so the design industry is changing. Previously, it was too much details. Now, it's like minimalism. So, how do you make sure that you have products that suits everyone?
During these years, we grow and our sources grow also. So, for example, in stainless steel, we customize a lot of things for tablewares. So we have a good factories, we deal with them to customize everything with very short delivery times. In porcelain, we have our own factory in China. We invest with the factory and we customize a lot of things also. And because UAE, everybody looking to come to UAE, everybody looking for Dubai, we decided to open a factory in Dubai. Then we open a factory called Rubber Plastic. It's for food service. It's the first factory in Middle East and Africa producing this kind of product for food sectors. The factory is not old. It's 2 years old only, the factory. It's a new factory.
Where is it located?
It's located in Dubai DIP2
Okay.
with 8,000 square meter space built. And we just started and we are adding more and more products like month by month.
So, when we talk about factories and manufacturing, the concept of sustainability always comes. You have
Exactly.
to make sure it's perfect because now the customers also need it. So, what
Exactly.
initiatives you are doing?
Exactly. In a plastic, nobody like plastic because it's like against the environment. But our factory, we do a lot of things to be like green and sustainability. We focus about sustainability. For example, the plastic what we use, it's reusable. We don't produce a disposable product, first of all. Second, we use material which has recycled plastic material. Secondly, the water in the factory, we recycle it. We don't throw it. We just recycle it and use it again. So we try to be like sustainable in our factory.
So, if we talk about competition here, like here also at the event, so many competitors are here. So, what sets you different from them?
Actually, a competition year by year, it's become more and more. Especially now, even in China, Chinese company, they come and open here also. And they sell sometime to direct customers. But again, our experience and product quality and service, it's make value for our customers. They evaluate it. So they keep buying from us, even sometimes our price little more, but they know their product guaranteed. Any issues, they come back to us always.
So, you are in UAE from a long time. The company is also here from a long time.
Yes.
So, what changes have you seen in the market?
A lot of changes. For example, in 2002, 2003, the porcelain, everybody like white porcelain. Now everybody like decorated porcelain. And maybe every 2 years they change it because a lot of decoration coming every day, lot of design, lot of colors coming. Same with the cutleries. It was only stainless steel. Now we have maybe 5, 7 different colors of cutlery: gold, copper, champagne color, black color, blue color. So this changing happening here.
So, what do you see the future will be if we look at after 10 or 15 years? Where will this industry will be?
I think it will keep growing, and always client and the manufacturer and us, the supplier and the manufacturer, we always creating something new.
Thank you so much for sharing your
No problem.
insights.
Thank you very much.